Students, myself JK Joshi. Today we start a new topic, that is comparison of speed and velocity. Students, average speed or average velocity is required to calculate for the journey when there is a change in speed or velocity during the motion. For that type of journey, we require a single value of speed or velocity for the explanation. This case is also known as non-uniform motion, and the single value of speed or velocity is called average speed or average velocity. Students, average speed is equal to the ratio of total distance to the total time, whereas average velocity is equal to the average velocity is equal to the total displacement to the total time. Students, speed never be negative or zero for a moving particle. Similarly, average speed is always positive for a moving object. It will not negative or zero. But in case of average velocity, it may be positive, negative or zero. Students, average velocity may be less or equal to average speed. Students, the SI unit of average speed and average velocity are same, that is meter per second. The extra unit is kilometer per hour. Student, we have Students, we have an example for the explanation of journey in case when time is equal or the idea of time is given to you. For example, velocities of particle are given to you and the time intervals are also given. Then the average speed is calculated by the relation, that is total distance covered by particle to the total time required. Students, d1 plus d2 plus d3 is the total distance and t1 plus t2 t3 is the total time. If distance is not given to you, then we have to replace the value of distance by the general relation distance equals to speed multiplied by time. So the value of d1 is equals to v1 t1 and d2 equals to v2 t2, d3 equals to v3 t3 and the time is t1 t2 t3. I want to explain a special case when time t1 t2 t3 is equal. Then time t1 t2 t3 cancel each other and finally we obtain the simple average relation, that is summation of v to the summation n. It means it's a simple mean value. For an example, a particle is moving with a speed 20 meter per second for 10 seconds and for next 10 seconds it is moving with a speed 40 meter per second. For this example, we have to calculate direct relation, that is 40 plus 20 divided by 2, because there are two time intervals are given to you. In the next example, we have equal distance or equal displacement problem. Student, this is known as distance average speed. In this case, distance or displacement or its idea is given to you in numerical. So total distance covered by particle to the total time can be explained d1 plus d2 upon t1 plus t2. But time is not given to you and not required. So we have to replace time in terms of distance and speed. So time t1 equals to d divided by v1 and t2 equals to d divided by v2. By the calculation we obtain, and finally we obtain 2 v1 v2 to the v1 plus v2. This is called harmonic mean, or it's a in class 9th we have to learn the result, that is 2 v1 v2 upon v1 plus v2. We have an example for this type of numerical, that is a particle moving with the speed 20 meter per second for A to B and return back with the speed 40 meter per second. Then calculate average speed. In this example, A to B remains same. It means it's a hint for equal distance. So the resultant is 2 v1 v2 to the v1 plus v2, and we can calculate 2 multiplied by 20 multiplied by 40 divided by 20 plus 40. Thank you, students.